What's good guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we're testing the video capabilities of the Nokia 2720. This is a budget phone, of course nothing special, but it has a camera. We have put it to the high option for video, and follow me around, let's see how it does in terms of video stabilization. Just a quick look, and the phone is handheld, of course. It's moving around. That's moving a little bit faster. And stop right here, and let's also see if this one has continuous autofocusing. So I'll step out of the frame, see if it can focus on my hand right here. You should be able to tell, and then refocus to the background. Of course, this is a feature mostly reserved to higher end phones. Let's test this out, see if something happens. Let me know if it did anything good for the continuous autofocusing test. Let's also quickly move it up and down to see how it adjusts to the lighter and darker areas in a scene. And this is, guys, a quick test of the video recording capabilities of the Nokia 2720. My name is Vic, this is PhoneArena. I'll see you in the next one.